Have you ever wondered what it's like to drive with total protection from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll walk you through the stealth radar laser defense system we installed on this McLaren 750S. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AO priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. This system detects police radar and actively jams laser guns, giving the driver the ultimate edge against speed detection. Here are a few of the 20-plus laser guns we used during pre-testing to optimize jammer placement and ensure coverage against both fixed and variable pulse rate laser guns. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We 3D scanned the bumper, CAD-designed, 3D printed, and heat-formed laser jammer housings to aesthetically blend the jammers into the bumper without any modifications. The front radar antenna is mounted behind the bumper to a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket, and the antenna will provide you with alerts when there are radar threats ahead. The dual GPS antennas are also behind the front bumper, mounted to a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers mounted in the reflector locations. The fabricated laser jammer housings were CAD-designed, 3D printed, and heat formed to replicate the factory reflectors without any modifications made to the vehicle. This setup provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The rear radar antenna is concealed behind the bumper to a CAD-designed and 3D printed bracket that will alert you of radar threats from behind. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket located in the passenger footwell. The wires were shortened to length, wrapped in factory matching tape, and labeled for serviceability. The panel under the passenger side of the dashboard was 3D scanned to create a CAD-designed, 3D printed USB update mount without requiring any modifications. The center console was 3D scanned to CAD-design a replacement panel that would house the Redenzo display controller that was 3D printed and wrapped in matching Alcantara suede, leaving the factory panel untouched. After every install, we thoroughly test the system with law enforcement laser guns to ensure everything is working properly. In these clips, you'll see the gun fail to obtain a speed until the jammers turn off. The system lets you select how long the jammers stay active, giving you time to slow down before shutting off. In these clips, we tested with a Dragoneye laser gun with ECCM on, one of the hardest guns to jam, along with other fixed pulse rate guns. None were able to get a speed reading, proving how effective this system is when properly installed. The 750S also received an AutoMods skid plate that protects the front bumper from damage. Our skid plates are 3D laser scanned, CAD-designed, CNC-machined, and hand-taped. This allows us to provide a perfect fit and finish. They require no holes to be drilled, because drilling 20 to 40 holes during installation would defeat protecting the bumper. The skid plates preserve the bumper in its original condition by using 3M tape for installation. They conform perfectly to the 3-dimensional shape of the bumper, and the best part is they can be removed without any signs that they were there. To find your model, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.